I've always been fascinated by innovative solutions to everyday problems, and recently, I stumbled upon a plumbing technique that's revolutionizing the industry. Pipe bursting is a no-dig solution that allows us to replace underground pipes without tearing up your entire yard. We insert a bursting head into the existing pipe, which breaks it apart as it moves through. And right behind that bursting head, we're pulling in a brand new pipe to take its place. Pipe bursting isn't just cool because it's innovative, it's actually better than traditional excavation methods in several ways. First off, it's way less disruptive. It's also faster and often more cost-effective in the long run. Homeowners love the minimal impact on their property, and pipe bursting allows us to install pipes with a larger diameter, improving flow and reducing the likelihood of future clogs. So, if you're facing pipe problems, consider this no-dig solution. It's efficient, cost-effective, and keeps your property intact. Interested in learning more? Give John's Rooter a call at 530-433-5773 for a free estimate. Trust me, your pipes in your yard will thank you. Don't forget to like and share this video to spread the word about this game-changing plumbing technique.